senior member of IEEE. In 2017, his M-Krishi Fisheries initiative was recognized as top 20 mission-driven social impact innovations in India by Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, and was appreciated by Honorable PM Shri Narendra Modi ji in his Mann Ki Baat program. Over 22 weeks during 2019 to 2020, he conducted a Swachhta Ki Hi Seva relay awareness walk on reduce single-use plastic across 22 wards of Navi Mumbai, Thane and Mumbai cities, covering 250 kilometers and reaching out to 60,000 people. I heartily welcome you, sir, at Bharati Vidyapeeth Institute of Computer Applications and Management. Today, sir will enlightening us on very important and interesting topic, research in a digital age. What are the problems and the opportunities in this? Sir, please, I request sir to please take over the session and enlightening us with your knowledge and words of wisdom. Sir, please.
Okay, thank you, Vishal, for that nice introduction. Without any delay, we will get started with the topic. I'll keep my camera off to save on the network bandwidth.
Yes, sir.
And there are certain maybe guidelines during the session. Just to make the session very interactive, I will request the participants to participate, give their comments, question throughout the session. They should use the chat window and Q&A window as much as possible. Put your running answers to the questions which are being asked throughout the session into the chat window, and then your specific question to me about the topic you can put into the Q&A window. So we'll pick up the questions from the question and answer window towards the end of the session. As I mentioned on the slide, request you to maybe mute your microphone. Unmute probably only when you have to speak towards the end. Participate in the chat. You put your comments as well as the question and answer also. Then, and for some reason, if suppose I am not audible, you can ping. Vishal is going to monitor it and then provide a feedback to me. Sometime it may be maybe time little bit glitches on anybody's edge side, so maybe wait for some moment, and if it is consistent, then just ping me or Vishal. Thank you very much. So the topic is research in digital age, problems and opportunity. And this is very interesting topic, given that when I'm teaching to my kids or talking to them. Now they saw a detail that earlier there used to be BCE and BC, that is before Christ and then after death of Christ, this kind of a era. But today it is before Corona and after Corona. So we are going through the Corona age. So during the Corona age, digital has become more real. You know, before Corona, digital was more virtual. In terms, digital was there, but then people's adoption of it, acceptance of it was not that great. Then once upon a time, one virus was invented or it discovered, it appeared, and then it changed the life of the people. And then we call that's before Corona and after Corona. So my topic is that about related to the research about the digital age, understanding the problems, and then the opportunities. So before we get into yeah, I'll request you to go on mute, please. So before we get into depth, let's get and try to understand what is digital. So first came computers, and we all are aware of the computers. It has been part and parcel of our life. Be we teachers, be we professionals, or be it anybody working in any of the organized sector. Computer is now part and parcel of the life. Then mobile phones came, and the mobile phone purpose was to phone. Phone means to call and talk. But then slowly it became a computing device. From a communication device, it became a computing device. And that is why it became a endpoint computing. Why? Because this was the last mile where it was closer to the end user, so it became end computing. That was good. I mean, people could play games, people could maybe save messages and all those things, take notes, blah blah blah. Then it came the application world, and then computers was required only when you are doing a serious activity. Phones, mobile for maybe making a, but a time came when mobile phone, but the moment mobile phone was received in the hand, people would go and download and install application. Are you looking at your mobile phone? No, you are not looking at your mobile phone. You are looking at your application. So mobile phone has become just a medium. What you are interacting with is an application. So application become very important. Since application can't live without mobile phone, that's why the mobile phones were required. If there would have been a different way, for example, Google came out with Google Glass. Now Geo is also coming out with the Geo Glass. Then mobile phone is not required. Now you got a smart watches. Now smart watches are going to provide certain services and application. Then mobile phones are not required. So what we are talking about that computer bhul jao, mobile phone bhul jao. What is the most important? An application. But again, if you look at deeper into the application, each application is what? What is WhatsApp? The WhatsApp itself, the name signifies that WhatsApp. So you push a message and you expect a response. Or if you get a message, you want to forward it. Sometimes people are so busy in forwarding, they don't read the message. It's like incoming aya, forward kar do. And sometimes it becomes very funny also that there is a bad incident and people send and like it. So people are talking about application and they are content. So they are interacting with the content or the data. So everything is about data, correct? And then all this data goes somewhere. आपको पता है ऊपर भगवान रहता है. I mean, if you look at the on the sky, toward the sky, there are clouds, correct? And we say in cloud, God lives in the cloud. And then there is one God who keeps record of all the data of your आपने क्या कर्मा किया, क्या कर्मा नहीं किया, all bookkeeping, account keeping. By the way, that's not the God we call Ram, Allah, Guru, whatever, but it's that God is known as the Facebook. That God is known as the Google, correct? So tomorrow, if there has to be a Janpatri or Kundli matchmaking, आप किसके पास जाएंगे? पंडित के पास जाएंगे. Yes, you will go to Pandit for doing a matchmaking, a Kundli matching. But you know who will be that Pandit? That Pandit will be Google Pandit, correct? So ब्राइट साइड के लोग बोलेंगे कि लड़की का गूगल डेटा निकालते हैं, और ग्रूम साइड के लोग बोलेंगे कि ब्राइड का गूगल डेटा निकालते हैं, correct? And what will be Google data? Which sites you surf, or which what you bought from Amazon, Mantra, or what movies you saw on Netflix, what web series you saw on Netflix, correct? This is the called digital world. So the world where you have created your own twin brother or sister into the digital cloud or the technology cloud. So this cloud is all about data. So this is called data world or digital era. Correct? So we have left the computer era long behind, and now we talk about data era. और data से क्या मिलता है? You apply machine learning, you apply deep learning, you apply artificial intelligence, and so on. And then somebody comes and say, "Hello, Mr. X," or "Hello, Miss Y. This is the dress you were uh, watching or observing or contemplating to buy. It is available now at 20% discount." So this is how the insight is coming and tell you hello world to digital world. And this is called 4.0. Okay. So now if you understood what is digital, so digital start with the data. That is very, very important. Now, there are 5 forces of digital. आप physical बोलते हैं, correct? In Hindu mythology or Hindu culture, they talk about पंच तत्व. Body is made up of पंच तत्व. ठीक है? जैसे like ether, sky, water, air, and so on. The digital era or the digital is also made up of 5 forces. And what are the 5 forces? It's like computing, where your data stores, your computer are stored, correct? Then mobile and mobile application, pervasive computing, then big data, because lot of data, and then big data you get analytics, then social media, correct? Social analytics, because Twitter, Facebook, we do a lot of interaction. Those are our virtual relations. So that is like one of the element or forces of the digital world. And then you do a lot of AI, and then Alexa came, Siri came. Those are nothing but robotics. So you say, Alexa, I want to watch a movie. Alexa say, okay, I will search for the movie related to maybe Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, okay, or the movie which you have not seen it. So it means robotics can understand what you like and what you may want to see it. So these are 5 known as the 5 forces of digital world. So mobility, what is mobility? Most important crux is that companies know a lot about their customers in real time. Okay, so for example, I logged into my Google from new mobile phone. Immediately Google came and told, hey, somebody logged in your account from this particular mobile phone model, and this was the carrier. Real time, correct? So somebody knows me. And now people say, yeah, nobody can track me. I'm very smart. No, mobile phones, mobility, big data. It helps make sense of structured and unstructured stream of information. What is the structured information? When you say I am so and so, I am my age is so and so, it is a structured information. Hi, hello, you don't know what will come after this hi and hello. Correct? So this is unstructured. WhatsApp में हम जो messages भेजते हैं unstructured data है. Correct? So all data getting together, structured and unstructured. Social media. Nowadays, fight does not happen on the real world. It all happens on the social media. And social media fight is so powerful that चाइना का एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर न्यूज लेटर है, न्यूज Delhi hai. So when the China and India this dispute is going on, every day they are publishing news to say कि अरे हमारा इतना army है and we are doing this thing. China, India is doing wrong by blocking the apps and all those things. And they're putting all this knowledge in or information on Twitter, on Facebook, and so on, trying to influence people. Correct? A lot of debate happens on the social media, pro and opposing. What is cloud then? Cloud is really something which has bring a good digital transformation. Just think about it. You wanted to host a website. Earlier, you have to create a website, you have to buy a computer, you have to buy a network, and then you have to buy a domain name, and then you go and put everything connect, and then that server has to remain 24 by 7 on, then only your website is visible. And then many things, security, firewall, and all those things. Now everything is gone into this cloud. In the sense, you put your demand, you get that much virtual space, and you do the work and finish. So it means formidable computing, supercomputing kind of a power is coming into hands of small companies. And that is a big push for starting a startup culture. AI and robotics, it is fostering all the automation. Very, very important, especially the COVID time. Why? Because when a person walks in a lab, somebody should do thermal scanning automatic. Somebody should do the oximeter scanning, somebody should the pulse scanning and so on. And then something you make to make the person sneeze and get the samples and the person is out. एक तरह से in हुआ, दूसरे सबसे out हो गया. And then robotics are being used because robotics को maybe ये वाला human virus spread नहीं होगा. So this is where automation with deep learning can really bring the transformation. So digital is important, but you have not understood digital unless you understand the 5 forces behind the digital. That is important. Okay. So phone data side, data uses, preferences, ये black box में लिखा हूं मैंने. Then this is what gets supported: social media, e-commerce, e-payment, entertainment, collaboration, learning. So unless you know 5 forces, you won't be able to get the power of all this blue color application, which is supported by the black box. You know what is the black box? Phone data. Aapka phone data. You won't share your phone with anybody. Even maybe husband won't share with the wife won't share with the husband, and so on. Your site data, everything is stored. Your uses, your preferences, correct? And just imagine, one application comes and hacks it. What happens? It's a big problem, correct? So when you are accessing an e-payment or e-commerce application like Amazon, Google Pay, or maybe Paytm, some other application may come and then exploit a loophole. So if you are going to do a research in digital, you should know these 5 forces. You should know how these applications consume these 5 forces and so on. Okay. Time for a little break. Whatever we went through the 2 slides, I just want to check whether you are with me or not. So there are few questions from the 2 slides of digital story. I want you to only put the answer into the chat window. Please type in the chat window. One का answer क्या है? Okay, so for example, question number 1, dash helps know about customer and their preferences. So question is what helps to know? So just type your answer, not the full sentence. Can you type in the chat window? One dot and put the chat window to everyone so everybody can see it. Similarly, when you want to write for 2.0, write down the answer for 2.0. Very good. I start seeing some answer coming. Dr. Bharat, Hanmate, Dr. Nitin, Dr. Garima, Yogita. Good. Very good. So I see the answers coming for the first. So people are writing mobility help know about customer and their preferences. Okay, interesting. Can others also just type in so that this session become interactive and you also are able to check it, like are you getting the concept, are you aligned with me, whatever I'm talking about. Very good, excellent. There is somebody have typed a wrong answer. Read the question number 1 very carefully. Somebody has written answer as a social media. So we will see the answer on the next slide. Question number 2. Can you put the answer for question number 2? What help makes sense of structured and unstructured data? Which digital 5 force makes sense? 2.0 answer. Okay, good, good. Most of you have got it correct. What is the answer for third one? What provide insight about individual preferences? Individual, third ka answer. What is the answer for third? The word is individual preferences. You say, I like, I don't like. Correct? And sometime on your liking, there could be a big fight then. What is the answer for the fourth one? Formidable computing a low cost. Okay, the question itself has an answer. Good. I see people writing the answer. Put your thought. That is very important. Okay. And finally, the fifth one. What fosters automation? Fifth one. Yeah, correct. So these 2 keywords are important. So let's match. Okay. So this is the answer. Correct. Mobility helps to know about customer and their preferences. Big data help makes sense of structure and structured data, social media, individual preferences, cloud computing, low cost, AI foster automation. So this is very important because if you are going to teach about digital, these are going to help you. If you are going to research about this is going to help you. If you are going to deep into a subject, it will help you. So we'll get deeper. Okay. Now we will look into what is research. So I hope you have got a feel of digital and its five forces. Now this is from me and my understanding and maybe from my organization's perspective. So what is the research? So research has to have some focus. Okay, it cannot be I want to do a research in what. That kind of a focus is important. It has to have an objective. So for example, our focus is making business future ready. Why? So we say that research has to have two kind of output or outcome related to it. One, it has to make a business sense. Okay, so in the sense whatever you generate, somebody should be ready to invest into that or buy that. Correct. So that is the worth of your time. Like for example, maybe light bulb, correct, or electricity, or maybe space tour. So basically there has to be some work done which attract to some business, and it is not for today, it is for the future. Okay, and then it has to be social impact. So output and outcome. So we do the research because we want our customer to stay ahead of the tech curve by investing significantly in promising research and innovation. The next thing is again very important, co-innovation. Etla chalore approach doesn't work. So for example, you must have seen that you are working on a project, but you can run only up to so much. You can do only up to so much. You require support of your guide, your colleagues, and all those things. And sometimes you require Google support to find who has already worked in that area. So we say co-innovation, tapping into collaborative learning. Okay, that is very, very important. Next is the nurturing the startups of tomorrow. Remember, what you do today, if it got the value for tomorrow, you will get the benefit that much. So think that how it can get translated into a business. That is very, very important. And it required an incubation. Incubation is not only running towards the money, but taking your idea to prototype and prototype to field and giving it a life is what about the incubation. So this is all about that how you are focused on all these things. You know what you want to do, with whom you want to do, and where you want to take it forward. Then you need to go deeper. You have to understand what you want to do, insight, why you want to do, correct, and how you want to do. So that is going one level deep. Skin penny, you are getting into the now nerves. So unlock the true value of your enterprise data. So this is very, very important thing. There is abundance. There is a lot of data available if you only have to look around. So for example, you want to work on, let's say, human behavior. You want to research on that, psychology and machines. Or probably you want to create a system which can identify a person has COVID or not. Okay. So what you have to look at, a lot of material and work is already available in the Google or net about the COVID. Research data is available, Hopkins data is available. So you have to go and unlock the value of the enterprise data. So we go and tell customer, you look at what you already have in your hand. Don't try to find a second bird. You have got one bird in your hand, start using it. So that is one thing what we start telling the customer. Use what you have, democratizing that data. Next, we picked up a domain. It could be healthcare. I picked up agriculture. For last decade, I am working in the agriculture area. And the focus is that enabling digital farming to increase the earning of the farmers. Very tough topic. There are not one variable. There are 100 variables to manage to achieve this goal. But the objective are to get going. And we are happy. When we started, we were almost 10 out of 10 institutes across the world working on this problem. In India, we have almost 1,000 entities working about this EdTech problem. And out of that, 80 are startup, registered startups. So this is how you have to start early research. Last and the most important, the very important word, abundance. Don't think that you don't have data, you don't have strength, you don't have enough people. You have abundance. Only thing you need to connect the dots and find that. And the next abundance is going to come from the blockchain. Friends, do you know what is the internet? If this question is I asked today, people will say you are stupid. You don't know what is internet. जैसे ऑक्सीजन होता है breathe in breathe out, वैसे internet for today's world is required. Just imagine 30 years back, if the same question would have been asked, people say, what you are talking about, techie thing. That is not at all required. This is exactly, you are in the era of blockchain. The tomorrow's blockchain is going to be a normal thing to happen. So you are attending this course, correct? How would I know that you are attending your course? Because you are sitting at your home, isn't it? And you are listening to me, but maybe you are busy with your phone. Who knows? But suppose an app is installed on your phone which is connected with this course. And the moment you start playing some other application on the app or your phone, app start giving data to blockchain saying this person is not paying attention. Bingo. We calculate how much time you were in the course and how much time you were out of the course. That's a tracing. And you can't change the data. It's immutable. That's the power of the blockchain. Everything will be decentralized and the trust. So what is internet? Abundance hai. Can you tell me the one end of the internet? Very difficult now in today's world. Of course, physical ends are there, but virtual end, infinite. That is where the blockchain is also going to open up new era. Okay, so think about that abundance. Now, how to get it going? Adopt. You got an idea, you are passionate, and you got a formula of how to take it forward. Now get going, get started on the ground. That is the adoption. So basically, if you see, this is nothing but the kids working in the lab on the concept. Sensor, machines, let's bring it together. Okay, and with this, lot of maybe the work start, papers, books, journals, patents, and so on. This is a very old data, like around 3916 patent. We are actually crossed 5500 patent till the last bookkeeping of the last financial year. So it is growing day by day. Okay, and the question is, what is the next big thing? Okay, again, time for some refreshment. Time to you to answer this question. Making business what? So the last two slides, I don't know whether you are with me or not. I'm checking it. Can you tell me what is the answer for the first question? Making business what? Can you keep typing? Keep typing, keep typing. I want everybody to type. It just take maybe 2 words for you to type, you know, but this is very important. We are trying to relate this session with your work, your profession. Okay, it seems correct. What is the answer for two? What we have to type? Very important. What do you have to type? Tap, not type, sorry. What is the answer for the second one? Very good, very good. What is the third one? What should we harness? What is the answer for third one? 3 dot. Not earning, learning. Somebody wrote ki earning. If you have learned, then we will earn. So what is the answer for the third one? Harness what? Okay. I see only 1 or 2 right answers for the third one. I see only 1 or 2 correct answer for the third one. Read the question very carefully. And what is the Okay. So these are the right answers. Okay. These are very important words. It's like a summary of my maybe 24 years of career. Okay. Why you want to do research? You want to make businesses to be future ready. You want your research to be picked up by the industry. You can't do alone. You need to tap into collaborative learning. You have to harness the abundance and unlock the true value of the enterprise data, your own institute data. Okay, you have got the institute data of your student, which students have got jobs and which student did not get the job, which kind of a student went for the higher studies, which kind of a student left job and started a business. If you do a research, you have got a mool mantra. The same data is leading you to become a very effective teacher. You are no more a teacher, but you become a guru. That is how you can use all this. Now moving forward, research landscape. Okay. So when you have to do the research, so I have touched super what is digital, and we have to get started. What ingredients are important to get started with the research? Now I'm getting into, you have decided to do the research, your ingredients are ready, then what you should be doing to move forward. So these are certain industries in which research are happening. So like banking and financial services. Can anybody write what kind of a research in banking and financial services are required? Any hint anybody can give? बैंक में अगर आपको एक सपोज देयर इज अ बैंक, लेट्स से स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, ICICI, HDFC, they says that okay, we want to do some research, can you submit a research proposal? Any idea anybody can post into the chat window? Yes, very, very interesting thing. Somebody talked about churn of the customer. Very important. Maybe SBI के लिए नहीं होगा, but HDFC, NBFC, this is very important. Cyber security, excellent, very good, very, very important. Like 3 days back, somebody called me, and I was about to become maybe a case study, but I prevented myself becoming a guinea pig. Finance rates, excellent. Customer satisfaction, anomaly detection for fraudulent transaction, very good, very good. So we need to pick a industry to start the research. It could be insurance, there could be ideas in the insurance, correct? Fraud happens in insurance, correct? What other thing you can do in insurance? If you are have to submit a research proposal in insurance, what will you do it? Think about COVID and tell me what can be the COVID may insurance ka help. Correct? Government ka subsidy is there for the treatment. So how? Yups, of course, somebody put blockchain could be one way of doing it. Very good. What else? What else? Me and Dr. Huda, we were talking about something. He said that lockdowns are there, lockdowns are not there, but then people following and not following. तो उससे इंश्योरेंस का क्या रिसर्च हो सकता होगा? Any idea? Any thought? COVID and insurance. Okay. Similarly, consumer goods and supply chains, very important nowadays. Have you heard the Maggie story? Maggie was banned for a while, correct? So there it could become one of the research area, correct? Somebody tells integrated hospital services with insurance ID. That is important, correct? Then communication and media. Communication and media is very, very important. क्या challenge होगा बताओ? Communication related one tool which was in news for wrong reason. One communication tool which was in news for wrong reason. And what was that tool? Do you know that? Fake news, correct. Fake news, because ये lockdown हो गया, ये COVID का solution मिल गया. But one tool I'm talking about, one specific tool which people were scared. We are using one tool to connect and talk to each other, correct? Which other tool was in news? Communication tool. Something called Boom, correct? Zoom, yes, correct. Somebody pointed. Because of data security. So secure tool is so important. Energy, water, utilities. Again, it is so important, correct? There was an incident when we had to switch off the lights, not the industry, but the lights one day. And there was so much discussion about the load shedding and bringing down the entire energy grid. How to handle that? That's a research area. लाइफ साइंसेस का कोई है क्या रिसर्च? एनी एग्जांपल एनीबॉडी कैन टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज लाइफ साइंसेस? लाइफ साइंसेस हेल्थ केयर में आज के दिन में what are the 2 3 innovation which has happened which you are aware of? Can anybody type? Give idea. Just type. हाँ, but what is more relevant? Gurjit has written yes, e-health, very good. But life science, healthcare, COVID context में, Covaxin, okay, yes, agriculture, this thing, telemedicine. कभी आपने सोचा था कि डॉक्टर रिमोट, यू विल डू द रिमोट टेली दिस थिंग consulting and all with the doctor? That is happening now, correct? EOPDs, very good, correct? So COVID, what is very specific to maybe related to the COVID which has happened significantly? One thing which happened in India very significantly which did not happen earlier. It was related to ventilator. Different kind of a portable low cost ventilators research happened. Correct? India was not manufacturing any PPE kits, and from there India became one of the biggest PPE kit manufacturer. So this kind of research can happen. Manufacturing, citizen services, retail, travel, hospitality, many things. So the crux here is that if you have to do a research, pick a industry. Don't get into across. Pick a industry. Now, once you have picked an industry, you have to go horizontal. Horizontal में आपको क्या focus करना है? Suppose you picked up healthcare. So healthcare में will you be getting into quality of engineering, or you will be getting healthcare operation? Like healthcare operation is what? EOPD, telemedicine, correct? Quality engineering could be maybe testing kit, ventilator, or it could be consulting. You go and create processes, how to have an effective lockdown, how to have reduce these things, business management, city management, system integration. You require to integrate all innovation together, correct? And make it consumer services. Like Arogya Setu was one consumer service. It's checklist based and maybe technology based service offering. So crux is that once you have picked up the industry, then you have to go to areas where you want to do it. You can't do everything. You have got one life, you have got limited time, you have to do teaching, you have to do research, and you have to generate paper, patents, and maybe business. Correct? Again, you have to go bit deeper. Which technology will you apply? Do you have a lot of data? Go for big data. Do you want to create new kind of a computing this thing or computing algorithm? Go for the cloud thing. Do you want to improve cyber security in maybe business operation in Arogya Seti consumer services? Go for cyber security. You want to create insight automatic testing? Go for artificial intelligence, or maybe sensor based kit based detection, maybe internet of things. So if you look at what we are telling here, research is not very unstructured. It is structured, and you have to focus on industry, focus on sub area, and focus on a technology. Then only you can go deeper and do something. I'm going to take certain example and maybe highlight how this happened. So I'm taking example of embedded system and robotics. So for example, कोविड छूने से स्प्रेड होता था, डॉक्टर्स के लिए प्रॉब्लम था बिकॉज डॉक्टर्स बीमार पड़ रहे थे. सो यू हैड टू क्रिएट एम्बेडेड सिस्टम जहां पे डॉक्टर्स कैन रिमोटली क्रिएट गो एंड डू द टेस्टिंग, सैंपल कलेक्शन एंड ऑल दोस थिंग. So PPE kit, glass shield, then maybe hand gloves connected, then these boxes, glass boxes, and then many things which came out, correct? So if you look at what were the research involved there, new type of sensor, new type of packaging, devices, robotic platforms, integration of sensor, signals, and on the bottom, embedded system and privacy. ताकि ये ना पता चले कि ये पर्सन को कोविड हुआ है बट इस पर्सन को देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम विथ हार्ट आल्सो, करेक्ट? Then you are kind of breaching the data about that person to so many other people. He doesn't want to tell anyone. He doesn't want to tell his insurance company. So that is how the research become very specific, not generalized. And if it is about the engineering and physical sciences, so I was talking about somebody to somebody about COVID problem, and somebody say nanoparticle would be the best solution, because if I can't see with a COVID 19 that virus with naked eyes, but maybe nanoparticles can see it, and it can go and then directly kill. वो साबुन में 20 सेकंड हाथ पे लगाता हूँ, क्या मेरा नैनो पार्टिकल कैन कैरी दैट साबुन का पार्टिकल एंड देन पुट ऑन डॉट जहां पे वो कोविड का वायरस है? आई सेड वाओ, इंटरेस्टिंग थॉट, मे बी पॉसिबल. This is exactly towards where the research may happen. By the cross section of healthcare, medical, virus study, and maybe then technology, all coming together. Okay. Other could be the data and the decision sciences. And this is exactly where the Arog Setu came in picture. Trying to understand the behavior, the data in your neighborhood, and telling you are पार्ट ऑफ विच रिस्क क्लस्टर. उन्होंने क्लस्टर्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. We divided city into maybe nodes into maybe blocks into society. Now we are dividing into logical what COVID, maybe COVID, not COVID kind of a thing. Fake news. We are looking at the flow and then trying to check which is a fake, which is a real. So this is how the research can become very, very specific. Life sciences, of course, we know now and we talk about lot about it in the examples, and you have put some kind of ideas into the chat window also. So crux is that research has to be very oriented, specific, and get into deeper. So digital research, you got an idea about what is that, correct? Now we will get into a deeper aspect, digital research, correct? And what are the problems and what are the opportunity and how to go about solving those problems. So some of the problems we talked about and you have given ideas into the chat window. This is very, very important. तो अब तक मैं आपको ये बता रहा था कि डिजिटल सर्च करने के लिए आपको कैसे शुरुआत करनी चाहिए. Now I'm assuming that you are with me now. Today after this session, you will pick up your best favorite passionate topic and you will say, I will start doing a research. Maybe you'll go to the patents.googling and find out कि उसमें क्या work हुआ है. You will do maybe at least a literature survey. You will lay down what is the problem you are trying to solve. But the question है कि उसको structure way में कैसे किया जाए. So this is an experience getting started. So you have read about the A for apple, B for banana and all those things. I wanted something ABCD of my research thing. And I thought, okay, let me put my thought to you. So A for apple, nah, for me it is analyze. So what is the analyze? Most important thing when you want to do a research. What is the objective of the research? Why do you want to do the research? You are doing a research because that will lead to a patent and you will feel happy about it. You will achieve a goal because your university or institute has given a goal, or you publish a paper, or you are doing a research because you are doing a PhD and as part of that you want to do the research. So if you do the research, you will get your PhD degree and you will get a increment, more better earning possibility, recognition, whatever. Why are you doing the research? What is the objective? That is very, very important. And that you need to answer. What drives you? Do you have a clear problem statement? Why do you think it's important to solve that problem? What is the end output? expect? Answering all these questions are very important. Have you seen that movie? My one of my favorite movies, Three Idiot picture. जो फोटो मैंने यहाँ पे लगाया हूँ, the very interesting involved discussion. Correct? तो वहाँ पे क्या discussion होता है? Who is sitting in between? Not Amir Khan, but what is that character name? What is the name of that character which is in the picture played by Amir Khan? हाँ, but उसके पहले एक कीवर्ड लगा है, बाबा रणछोड़ दास. Correct? Yes. So Baba Ranchhod Sahab is giving the philosophy lecture and he's saying कि passion होना चाहिए. So if you have that passion to solve that problem, then only you will do it. If you don't have that urge, a clear objective, clear problem decimal definition, let me know you after 2 days, 3 days. It's just like reducing the weight होता है ना, उसी तरह से ये भी रह जाएगा. So very, very clear objective. And the people who have done the PhD, they will agree with me कि initial 2 years into just finding the problem to be solved. So much important this A for apple is. Okay, find why you want to do it and what you want to solve. So this is very, very important. Research one. Correct? First problem, having clarity on what is the problem to you solve. What do you want to do? Do you want to do photography? Do you want to solve machines and all those things? एक बार ये अगर हो जाए, सो ये हिंट है. हमने पीछे वाले स्लाइड्स देखे, करेक्ट, कि क्या क्या रिसर्च इंडस्ट्री और उसको कैसे मैप करके वी कैन गेट इनटू प्रॉब्लम, एंड वंस यू गेट प्रॉब्लम यू वांट टू नैरो डाउन, यू गेट इनटू एरियाज, टेक्नोलॉजी एंड सो ऑन. So I have given some problems. What are the digital world, digital five forces we talked about, what are the digital problems into that? So cloud computing mein the elasticity is becoming a problem. What is happening? One startup company which I was listening to, they told that ki we started with maybe 1000 our customers. So we asked for one demand. Now all of a sudden my product was so powerful in COVID, I got 1 lakh request. And went to my cloud infra company and they said, sir, we are actually elastic, but we are actually not elastic. We are virtually elastic. So we need to require a shutdown downtime period to move your boxes to another server. Arey Baba, you are elastic, na? You are cloud computing. But we were actually not elastic, but virtually elastic. Then what is that elasticity algorithm which needs to be researched to go into Ziffy? Correct? Go from 1,000 to maybe 1 million in 1 second. आपका car होता है ना? Some cars go 0 to 100 kilometer per hour in 3 seconds. Of course, you pay more for that. So that kind of maybe a problem to be solved, and that's an opportunity. Cyber security, we saw this. Correct? If everything is in cloud, कल को cloud leak हो गया तो problem हो गया ना. When the cloud leaks, all of a sudden we say cloud burst. So cyber security power is another problem which needs to be solved. Ransomware, malware, that's a big area to a big problem and a big opportunity. So these are the digital research problems which you can pick up to solve. Mobility में how to make, हर चीज के लिए ऐप बनाना क्यों जरूरी है? Why can't you create an app within 1 hour? Correct? That's a problem to be solved. Your behavior, your decision. How can I mine my data, my behavior and get insights? Nobody else. Why should I give my data to somebody else to mine it and know about me? That's a problem to be solved. Digital marketing, how to make it customized. For example, I was watching movie and I was watching TV and I saw one ad. A product was introduced and say कि साबुन से हाथ धोइए और हाथ धोने के लिए कोई भी साबुन यूज कीजिए, and that brand name was given. I was very happy. After 3 weeks, the the advertisement got changed and said साबुन से हाथ धोने के लिए immunity buster, ये हमारा साबुन से हाथ धोइए. The moment the word got into immunity booster, because people talk about COVID medicine, COVID vaccine, Somebody did not create medicine, na? So what they created? Immunity booster. So Sabun company, what did it? Soap company, they created immunity booster soap. That's a digital marketing. Take ethics, very important thing. Face detection, China is using lot of face detection. They used in Wuhan, where the case studies are there, to manage the crowd in the lockdown. So when Dr. Huda and we were talking about कि ये problem है, people are going to the Marine Drive to just go a view of the ocean. अरे ओशन वहीं पे रहने वाला है, 1000 ईयर पहले भी था, 1000 ईयर बाद भी रहेगा. करेक्ट. डोंट गो वर्चुअल विजिट ऑफ द ओशन ना. मे बी आपके यहाँ पे लोग जाके बोलेंगे लाल किला देख के आते हैं, चांदनी चौक जाके आते हैं, यू नो. अच्छा, चांदनी चौक वो चाट वाला आदमी नहीं है, बट चांदनी चौक इज देयर. सो क्रक्स इज दैट for implementation, government goes and implement face detection and behavior detection. There are many people will say which is bad and which is really bad if government use for a different purposes. So bringing ethics in the technology is also a problem, and you need to manage, and that's a research. Data science, we talk about data lake design, secure transaction, fraudulent transaction. Somebody talk about tracing not only of people but the products, food, Maggie, correct. Artificial intelligence, AI for vision, हर पिक्चर कुछ कहता है. Exactly, every image is worth 1,000 words. Extracting, that is the work we are doing. AI for healthcare, fake news, and so on. So when on the last slide I say A for apple, A for analyze, and I say first you define your problem. सबसे पहले you have to define why you want to do research, and once you decided you want to do research, what problem, what area, what industry, you vertical, horizontal you want to do the research, which are the problems you want to solve. This is what you can pick up, and then you see there are white spaces. वो आपके लिए रखा है, आप उसको fill in करो, and you create your own problems and you go for searching for opportunity in that. Okay. And this is exactly what happened, friends. When the situation was demanding, most of us were stuck thinking what to do. There are few people finding ways out. So these some of the example I have taken from the internet, which I have shared with you. It's not the work done by me, but I'm just referencing you. Tale of COVID-19 crisis inspiring innovation. तो every problem is an opportunity. अगर प्रॉब्लम अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं होता ना, तो मे बी आप और हमको हमारी यहाँ पे जरूरत ही नहीं होती थी. ओके. सो AR VR फॉर द प्रोडक्शन विजिट्स. सो virtual reality, taking it to going and visiting the fields, factories, and monitoring the production happening there. Constant temperature monitoring, you must have seen it on the airport, correct? Or maybe in the factory monitoring or in the hospital monitoring. Advances to remote monitoring, patients are sitting and then you can monitor them, correct? You can see some of the example on the right bottom side where AR, VR, and temperature monitoring, all thermal imaging, all put together. Then improving containment efforts, like if you look at the second picture, blue color grid, first column, second row, that is nothing but finding out कि वो दिल्ली में कहाँ पर when COVID lockdown was imposed, people came out of the houses and the drone was monitoring and taking and data and creating that images, correct? Enabling virtual pots, because people are so much now feeling sad because they are not connected to their friends, colleagues, and so on. So you see the second picture on the second column, there are actual sitting locations are there. They are nothing but like virtual pod. Aapka digital twin go and sit there, and your friend digital twin come and sit there and they are chatting, and you feel like you are chatting to each other. Video messaging, it become correct. Everybody started doing video calling and Zoom and that kind of a stuff. Expanding medical training opportunity, vital intelligence screening, and so on. What I'm trying to drive point here, so COVID-19 came, problems came, lockdown happened, somebody remained at home, somebody had food, somebody had home, somebody had savings. but somebody did not have food. All the earnings were left out. They had to go somewhere. They had no train, no buses. And then they had to find a way out. And then maybe person like Sonu Sood comes and then does something about it. Maybe whatever, in whatever capacity, however that person did it, but did it, correct? तो किसी का प्रॉब्लम किसी की अपॉर्चुनिटी बन जाती है. This is exactly for a digital world researcher. Look at the problem to solve. Output you will get. You will get a paper, patent, and all those things. If you passionately, honestly, Baba Radshordat ka philosophy follow kiya, you will get, and money will also come. But you have to go deeper into that. So that is where problem become opportunity. Okay, the most important problem if solved, then question what next? The next is B for banana, na. B for banana, na. It's buddy. So this picture is very important. It's picture like I have taken from my son's reference. Of course, most of you know that this is movie from Captain America series. And then in this, if you require, so it means even Captain Arena, America, Iron Man, Hulk, and others need a team. Okay, so you can't solve a problem alone. Of course, maybe based on the situation, you may have to do it yourself, but you require a mentor, you require help. You'll help in by administrative help, technical help, student help, and so on. So form your core team. You may require domain knowledge. If you're going and solving a banking problem, you need a banker. Or a financial problem, you need a financial person. You need a healthcare doctor, medicinal, psychology, psychologist, agriculture person. You need a person. So keep your ego, I can do everything away. Etla chalore, no, doesn't work. All this thing away and focus on domain of the problem statement. Your credible institute and people in domain, go and search and get them. Formulate and win-win. Don't look at इससे मुझे क्या मिलेगा. Look at इससे सामने वाले को क्या मिलेगा. Because आपको जो मिलना है वो आपने decide कर लिया है. And that is how you form a forge a partnership. Outline the clear expectation, mutual benefit, forge a partnership, and continuously manage the partnership. This is the success for the successful research. So build ecosystem. Okay, and that is what we were talking about in my earlier slide, that how we build co-innovation, coin, and go and work together with the people. Next important thing is C for cow, na. C for chalo field. So anything you do, you got the result, you got prototype, but if it is not implemented even for few hours, few days into the field, it is not worth. Okay. So somebody, very funny, somebody made a medicine and say, ye medicine ho gaya. Government say, na, there is a checklist. Have you done field testing? Have you done testing on the humans? Have you done the testing on the people with this kind of a diseases, this kind of a complexities? Have you done this? Have you done that? Field testing is very important. Even our own beloved and respected Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, when he was working on the missiles, rockets, he had to create the rockets and make it and launch in the field. Correct? The Wright brothers had to take their plane and fly in the field. They did not fly into the lab. So take the things from drawing board to prototype, going from air conditioned office to on-site. On-site means lab to field. And you should fail, because when you fail, you learn. Okay? So fail fast, you will learn fast. Revise and iterate again. That's called agile. Seek feedback. Learn faster, and this is where then you will become more powerful, and maybe one research leads to business and patent, paper publication, partnership, and so on. Multiple things you will get. Okay, fail fast. So that's a message. D for dream. And I think I will stick to this word, just D for dream. Retain that. I'm just drinking water, sorry. So D for drinking water. And then another most important thing, document. Okay. So this is another person, respectable again because of the achievement. At the age of the 14 years old, Harshvardhan Jhala has signed a 5 crore deal, almost $1 million deal with the government for drones that can detect and defuse landmines. And when Israeli Prime Minister was here, he specifically mentioned about him. Prime Minister of Israel and India, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, both visited his booth and interacted with him. Okay, and above is a info from a patent report where Raman camera, like light sources for the Raman and other thing. So we are talking about your mobile phone becoming a microscope. So अगली बार corona you should be able to see it through your mobile phone. Possible है ना? Why not? Somebody must be researching on this already. Correct? If you can have a camera which can go and see the surface of the moon, of course it can see the surface of the earth and the virus. Bringing it to the cost and the level of maybe mobile phone is a research or the problem to be solved. So crux is that once you have done the result, you got the result, you field testing are done, document it. If you think it can be paper, just wait. Can it be a patent? Why not? Why, if you write one patent, India get one patent. Why your patent is so important for India? Then the other companies from outside won't come and say, you cannot do this work in India. Patents are not only to attack and earn. Patents are to defend whatever you want to do. It happened, correct? Neem, somebody went and patent and say, hey, you can't use neem in your medicine, neem in your what is that? Pepsodent, Colgate, and all those things, correct? Because somebody had patented it. Basmati rice. Somebody had aromatic rice. Somebody has patented it. If you don't patent it, somebody else will do it. So give priority to patent, and government is creating a lot of scheme to support you. So digital research has to land and lead to patent. If not patent, prior art, publicize it. Create a design, copyright it. Share technology, license technology, earn money out of it, make it live. Okay, become entrepreneur. If you don't know business, give it to somebody who can make the business out of that, and become collaborator. So crux is that every idea has a value, every problem is an opportunity. Go deeper, solve it and bring it to this kind of a culmination ending. That is very, very important. Okay, so make it sustainable, long living. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. If you've seen the Mission Mangal movie, there is once upon a time. Correct? That was one of the famous dialogue there. Let's try to not make it once upon a time. Now, what once upon a time you are doing now also. Make it part and parcel of your work, your life. Okay, so I'm trying to now wrap up towards all these experiences into gist. So let's recap the journey. So first thing what we focused on, A for apple, A for analyze, was define the problem. And these are the important bullets. What is the objective? We heard about it, correct? What are the motivation? This is very important. Baba Radchoda say, तुम्हारा motivation क्या है? Passion क्या है? Why you want to do it? Correct? What do you want to do it? Why you want to do it? What will be the impact? Will it be a business impact? Will it be a social impact? Will you get a Bharat Ratna? You will get a Padma Shri? Will you get a Nobel Prize? What? Correct? Are people will give blessings like that they gave the blessing to Sonu Sood? What is your motivation? Or do you want to get a patent, paper?
Do you want a PhD? Do you want a popularity? Do you want a new job? Do you want satisfaction? What? That what is very important. And that will lead to your problem. Okay? Don't leave this block unless you have got the motivation, answer to the question to motivation, objective, and the problem. Then you go and find a team. Even if the thought comes to mind, नहीं नहीं रे मैं अकेला काफी है, correct? Like Amitabh Bachchan movies, one hero can beat entire army of the villain, correct? फिर भी find a team, you will need it, correct? Even when the Tendulkar was lifting the load of the billion people's expectation, he alone wouldn't do it all the time. You needed a team. Somebody will go and bowl well, field well, and somebody may will come and stand well along with the Tendulkar. Correct? That's true with the Virat Kohli. That's true with research also. Find that ecosystem. Everybody needs a team to achieve some big. Even if you're Captain America, you need Hulk. Correct? Pando also needed a team. So build trust. Most important thing, part of the attribute of a team. Have a clarity and always keep transparency. Even if ask, not ask, keep that transparency, keep sharing. That will keep the trust. Chalo field, see for chalo field experiment. Correct? So though planes can be made in the lab, flying can be tested only in the field. So real world hypotheses, use cases are important. Test the result, fail fast. That is important. Okay? And the last, the two things. What is the first word? What is the first word? Can you type? What is the first word? Can you type in the chat window? First word of the last block. First word of the last block. Can anybody else type? What is the first word in the last block? Publishing. Correct? So if you publish and you do it, talk to your spouse, talk to your friends, talk to somebody and tell ki, is publishing enough? Doesn't my idea worth $1 or $1,000,000? Can't I make money out of that? And when you make money out of your research, it is innovation. And that is called exploit. The first word exploit is sum of publish plus monetize. Exploit. Don't leave it there. And then you go and scale, make it bigger, 1,000 to 10,000 to 1 lakh, monetize it and create an impact. Impact doesn't mean only social impact, life impact, society impact, business impact, any kind of impact. So this is how all put together is where your research is complete. So we saw digital, we saw research, we saw research problem, we saw opportunities, and we saw how to do research, and then the gist of that. To sum up all these things together, okay, it's like I am looking at me and I am looking at you. You are sitting at your home. I am sitting at my home. We are sitting at a virtual station and a train is standing in front of us. Again, going back to the Three Idiot movie, there is a dialogue, correct? Ki you will think ki bahar taxi khadi hogi and you did not take the decision. Isn't it? If you have seen the movie, that's the important turning point. The key train, you are sitting and you are deciding to do, not to do. So these are important. What do I want from myself? Where I am now and where do I want to go from here? Why do I want to go? What is my motivation? And who will help me reach my destination? These are the questions which we need to solve to start our journey, a research journey. Okay? And that is the most important thing. Opportunities are many. The only problem is we need to take a decision and begin the journey. Thank you very much. So with this, I've come close, close to my session, and we can open for question answer into the question answer window.
So, thank you so much, Mr. Dinesh. In fact, the difference between academic and industry people have learned how to deliver and how to finish delivery before time now, because otherwise they lose customers. But academic people enjoy teaching even 10-15 minutes later than the schedule. I'm happy you finished it early and covered almost all possible dimensions which you are supposed to cover. Wonderful. That what I keep on talking every time to the people, that CMM when came and Watts Humphrey redefined the Chinese proverb. The Chinese proverb was that if you do not know where you are going, any road will do. And then Watts Humphrey came forward in early 60s and said that no, this proverb is not correct. And the way mathematician give a counter example and disprove any of the proverb, in the same way he gave a counter example and said that if you do not know where you are, a map won't help. And then he went a step forward by saying that if you do not know where you went weak, where you went wrong, you cannot improve. And that's how the entire philosophy of capability maturity model was developed and finally was culminated into a form and institution known as Software Engineering Institute under Carnegie Mellon University, Petersburg. Why I'm telling this? The slogan of this institute was how to ensure to deliver quality product to our customer within cost, within time, and that too every time. So the entire process is to ensure that the moment you exceed time, it is no more quality. You may be delivering quality. So wonderful. Thank you so much. I am so happy that you did it and that too before time. Participants, the entire purpose is to inspire you. Again, I will remind the same USP of the Carnegie Mellon University SEI Software Engineering Institute of United States of America at Petersburg, on whose philosophy entire software industry is going for capability maturity model CMM, CMMI, and CMM certification. The USP of that is, the punchline of that is how to ensure to deliver quality product within cost, within time, and that too every time. So that was the lecture. You must have enjoyed it. And now those who have written questions in the chat window, that Dr. Vishal is going to take it up. But meanwhile, if there are participants who wanted to ask direct question, they can unmute and ask questions. And by the time they are not unmuting, Dr. Vishal can start the question and answer session. Dr. Vishal, please.
Sir, there is a one question from Dr. Sahu, that what is digital farming?
Acha. So agriculture technology is known as a digital farming. So we have an initiative within TCS. Earlier we were calling as a M-Krishi, now we call as a digital farming initiative. So whatever digital 5 forces I talked about in the beginning of the session, how those digital 5 forces can be applied to agriculture sector. So taking a simple example, do we have I don't know whether it's raining in Delhi or not, but it's raining heavily in Mumbai while I talk to you, and there is an orange forecast alert in Mumbai. You know that lot of agriculture in India is dependent on rain, because rain-fed agriculture. So timing of rain or a monsoon become very, very important. So using the digital data, can we predict the right time of arrival of monsoon so that agriculture planning can happen? So this is one of the use cases of the digital farming. Okay, you have got a tractor. Now tractor goes and plows the land, but when the tractor is walking on the soil, isn't a tractor tire touching the soil? Can tractor tires or the implements can do more with the soil, and they can find out what is the fertility of the soil? So when you use the digital brain, digital forces to solve agriculture problem, you can call it as a digital farming, you can call agriculture technology, and so on.
Thank you, sir, for solving the query. I hope this is the justifiable answer to me, Dr. Bharat, as he is from non-engineering department. And there is one other question from Dr. Lalit Kumar Gupta, that there is a major difference in a research in an industry and in an institution. One for business and second is targeted for degree. How can we synchronize to make industry-oriented research?
Very interesting question. And
Yes.
the answer can be easy and answer can be complex also. It
Yes, sir.
depends upon like how do we want to solve this. So if you go back to the what digital research journey I was talking about, the first A, where I was talking about A for analyze, what is motivation and all those things. So if the purpose of the research is to get a degree, then it means your motivation is to get a degree. Okay. Now what we need to understand, the degree doesn't tell you that which problem to solve. Degree says that you have to do a research. You have a freedom to define the problem. And that is where you should pick up the problem which is your related to your talent area, for which you have the passion and for which you have the ecosystem ready to help you out. So the question is, can't industry research happen in academy, or can't academic research in happen in industry? Both are possible. Then where is the problem? Problem is exactly in that picture which I was showing into that slide. Baba Rashorda was telling कि आप डर डर कर रिसर्च कर रहे हो. दो प्रॉब्लम थे. वन, इन्होंने क्या बोला कि तुम्हारा रिसर्च फोकस एरिया फोटोग्राफ्स है एंड यू आर स्टडिंग मशीन. So in a wrong topic, your problem choice is wrong. Talk to your mentor, talk to your guide, and choose the right topic. Second person में क्या था? That person was interested in machine and loves machine, but still was not effective. क्यों? वो डर डर करके रिसर्च कर रहा था. उसका ये था, if I don't give this deliverable to my guide or my school or college or my teacher next day or maybe next week, she will be or he will be upset or some negative will happen. Go and talk. Sometimes talking may solve the problem. So the answer is, it can happen. How you can synchronize? Put all the stakeholder on the same table. Take a cup of coffee and discuss that out. Again, going back to that same movie, correct? Where they go and talk to their respective parents. And that is where वो बोलता है अपनी अंगूठी निकाल के फेंक दो, other person go and talk about. Synchronization happened, correct? Hot discussion हुआ, but synchronization happened. And this is where the problem is solved. Again, second movie I'm talking about, I'm not maybe fond of movies, but I'm taking the example from wherever I can pick up.
Correct.
Mangal Mission movie, same thing happened, correct? This person is obsessed with doing it. And do you see the other character trying to block at every stage? The team is not pro, the sponsor is not pro, ecosystem is not skilled or equipped. If you are passionate, वो बोलते हैं ना कि अगर आप वो obsession है, then you will make everything to work for you. So that is why first slide is very, very important. बाकियों के लिए रिसर्च है, पेटेंट है, पेपर है, एक सप्लीमेंट्री डॉक्यूमेंट है टू अचीव एन ऑब्जेक्टिव, बट फॉर यू इट इज अ कैरियर, फॉर यू इट इज अ टैलेंट एरिया विच यू वांट टू अचीव. You have to drive it like that. Otherwise, exact output doesn't come and you won't be happy. That is my experience. I hope, Dr. Lalit, I have tried to answer it based on my experience and thought process.
Yes,
Hope
Yes, sir.
thank you.
that
Yes, sir.
aligns.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And there is another question he would like from Dr. Rathi. He would like to know more about the PRIDE, PRIDE, PRIDE.
Okay, a very good question. Uh, when we decided to solve farmers' problem, we found that farmers' problem can't be solved alone. There are not one farmer. There are close to 11 to 13 crore farming families are there in India. And problem क्या होता है? If one of you want to complain about something to somebody, doesn't work. You need a group. You need unity. You need an entity to come together. Team, ecosystem, correct? So we realize around 2009-10 frame when government came out with a concept called farmer producer organization and farmer producer company. Dr. Y. Alak was working on that, and we found that as a potent way to solve that problem. So we started working on it. We experimented in the field. We brought farmers together and formed farmer producer company to buy the things together, negotiate the things together, sell the things together, and it become a commodity group. And we gave a name to that, pride. Why? Because it is farmers' pride of coming together and doing business together. The pride meaning is progressive, rural, integrated, digital enterprise. So farmer producer organization became an enterprise, a digital enterprise, an integrated digital enterprise. And the people who were farming this integrated digital enterprise, they are no more normal farmer. They are progressive farmer. That's why it is progressive rural integrated digital enterprise. It's a pride. And we struggled a lot in last 10 years. Now the concept is picking up fast. एक कोविड का जब प्रॉब्लम आया था, फार्मर्स प्राइड और एफपीओ केम टुगेदर एंड दे स्टार्टेड सप्लाइंग वेजिटेबल टू द कोऑपरेटिव रेसिडेंशियल सोसाइटी इन द सिटीज, direct selling. So that is the concept of the pride. Next question.
Thank you, sir. Next question is Dr. Sanasam Somakanta Singh Ji. How can we do the partnership in the research with the TCS and the academia, sir? Is there any provision of or the collaboration of industry and academia at TCS?
So there is a short answer and there is a long answer. Yes, TCS does academic industry program and collaboration, and as part of that, I am kind of conducting this session. Correct? Like industry
Yes,
person
sir.
coming and talking into the session. So this is one of a collaboration where maybe faculty or research exchange kind of happen. Now there are two kind of a research which happen. We call corporate research, and then there is a like a industry institute, industry related research. So as part of that, internship can happen. Like students can come for the internship in the TCS, and that is for that you need to connect with our AIP head. If you are in Delhi, you have to connect to our TCS AIP head Delhi. I'll pass on the connect to Vishal, and maybe he can share. There has to be a formal MOU, and then that will be possible. Corporate research is corporate research collaboration with corporate research and innovation is bit tough. They have just some criteria, and where they do the research collaboration with institutes like IITs and so on. But then both level are possible. So there are institutes like IITs, definitely they can directly coordinate with the TCS research and innovation. If it is other academic institute, they will interact with the TCS AIP in Delhi.
Thank you, sir. There is another question from Dr. Sujit. As you discussed the digital research in banking and insurance sector, can you please throw some light in the context of legal profession? How can we implement the digital era in a legal profession?
Legal profession, I think blockchain will be one of the big thing to happen.
Yes, sir.
If you look at गाँव में या कहीं पे भी वो नकल ऑर्डर की कॉपी,
जी नमस्कार सर जी
it's a
क्या
very
हाल है?
funny thing. Like
But sir, can you
case
please?
was happening. One case was happening, and the result of judgment of that case copy was not available with the lawyer. And the lawyer said that to the court that मुझे अगली तारीख दे दीजिए because I don't have the copy of the judgment. So fraudulent and getting the traceability and all those things in the legal profession is important. Number two, evidences, forensic, because there are always a doubt that the evidences can be manipulated. So that is where the legal it can become. Again, the forensic money laundry cases, EOW or ED जो करते हैं, in that tracing the money transaction through various channel and through various uh, maybe countries, that is where maybe the technologies can be helpful. Legal is very very important. So taking a case of which is happened, a recent suicide of a celebrity and actor, unfortunate death, there also now government is going and relying on the Google searches done on the laptop and the phone of the person. Correct? Those are the again the digital data, and then retrofitting the network operation to understand where that person was at what time and which other person was there. Network evidences. So lot of problems and ideas you can discover if you pick up legal as an area and get into deeper of maybe digital research.
Yes, thank you, sir. And there is another question from Mr. Mayank. He would like to know something about digitally mediated research methods.
Maybe I like maybe him to add more words to what exactly he's looking
Yes.
at. That.
Yeah, Mr. Mayank, can you please unmute yourself and ask? Sir, Dr. Shweta would like to know about your perspective regarding Industry 4.0. What do you think about?
So my first slide, I show that whatever I talked about going from computer to phone, phone to edge computing, and edge computing to application, application to data.
Yes.
So Shweta, we are already घर में enter करने से पहले पैर साफ करते हैं ना, or then we get into that home, correct? We are already entering into the 4.0, or maybe say we already entered and just near the door. So digital 4.0 is happening. And what you saw in the remaining slide deck, especially the slide which was about the industry, areas, technology, and also the slide related to problem and opportunity, correct? This was all about 4.0. If you look at, we were just talking about the problems and the opportunity. We were not at all talking about the technology which will be used. So we were already in the application era and the data era and looking at that work. So industry 4.0 is already there.
There is another question from Mr. Mahesh. Is it possible win-win situation in industry academia programs?
Definitely, Mahesh. And I just said ki it is difficult, maybe difficult for non-IIT like institutes, not definitely for IIT like institute. And IIT like institute, government institutes are already doing a lot of things. You have to look at what is the definition of your academic and what is the definition of industry. लेफ्ट हैंड इंपॉर्टेंट है कि राइट हैंड इंपॉर्टेंट है? दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट है. लेफ्ट ब्रेन इंपॉर्टेंट है कि राइट ब्रेन इंपॉर्टेंट है? दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट है. I did my masters at the age of 35. I had already got industry experience of 15 years plus. But my mentor told that if you don't go to academic and learn the new methods of learning and the algorithms, your learning is incomplete. So I came to academic, I studied my masters, and I came back to industry. And I realized how true he was. That is where not everybody can go and do the same thing again and again. So win-win situation is possible. What is important? दोनों साइड के leaders जो है ना, वो do or die वाले चाहिए. They should decide we want to work together. Finding right partner, academics, industry, and finding right partner from industry to academy, you will do tremendous, you will do surprise work into this sector. And it is all win-win situation.
Completely agree on this point with you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And there are no any further queries in the chat box. If any participant have any query, they can unmute yourself and ask.
I'll just add maybe Mang's question. I did not see addition, but I'll just try to answer what I could understood. Digitally mediated research. So man, research is research. Research methodologies are not going to get influenced by the digital, physical, or whatever. So research methodologies well documented follow that. What I was trying to do today, I was looking from the digital age, what are the problems and how you can solve those problems. So you can say that digital as a tool, as a technology, you are trying to solve the problem. But your research method का जो education है वो आप follow करो, उसको override नहीं करना है. So when you say कि digitally mediated क्या है? So the question which maybe Shweta asked about industry 4.0, Dr. Shweta asked, correct? This is exactly what I'm saying. कि पहले microscopic research होता था. पहले इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में ऑसिलोस्कोपिक रिसर्च होता था, करेक्ट? यू यूज्ड टू डू ऑसिलोस्कोप, सिग्नल एंड ऑल दोस थिंग. पहले माइक्रोस्कोप में बायोलॉजी का रिसर्च होता था. वो टूल चेंज हो गया है. नाउ देयर इज अ डिजिटल ऑसिलोस्कोप, देयर इज अ डिजिटल माइक्रोस्कोप, बट रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी इज द सेम. You can't leave that to come into the digital era. You need both knowledge of digital tools and knowledge of research methodology and knowledge of domain. If you don't have the domain, you need a team who can provide the domain. And definitely somebody to keep all together. That is a sponsorer or maybe the team leader, sponsorer, which can keep the flock together. I hope I've tried to answer your question.
Yes, sir. Correct. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, Professor Mahesh is from mathematics department and he would like to contribute in the industry. So how the mathematician can contribute to industry?
A lot way. In fact, mathematical formula, mathematical algorithms, these are very, very important. So there are like a research which happen maybe heuristic based on objective, subjective observation and all those things, correct? But putting a system where maybe this can become very, very important. So for example, aerodynamics, mathematics is very, very important, correct? Similarly, speech recognition, finding new way of algorithm, secured algorithms, correct? Blockchain में आपका जो secured algorithm होता है, that kind of a thing, security certificate. So basically you have to pick up where you आपके पास हथौड़ा है, ठीक है? अब हर दीवार को आपको कील नहीं ठोकनी है. You pick up one wall and one nail, one problem जहां पे आप अपने हथौड़े को apply कर पाए. So mathematics as a applied mathematics, which industry you want to solve? Engineering, or you want to solve healthcare, or you want to say maybe agriculture, anywhere. Agriculture may be also creating new models, correct? So this is all the places it can be applied, mathematics and statistics both.
Institute. There is a discussion point with Dr. Lalit. Institutions always try to make education industry compatible. It is also duty of industrial to participate in this relation to make changes in the curricula. In absence of this, it leads to make irrelevant research. That's why Dinesh sir has said, Dr. Lalit sir, that you have to find the right person from the industry and the right person from the academia. Then all the things will be happen.
This is my. That's why I am trying to come towards academy.
Yes.
Correct. And I think, sir, it happens if you look at industry people do get pulled into revising the syllabus, defining the syllabus. I myself
There is a
has
gap
been on
actually.
couple of the committee to do that. But rightly what you said, sometime now I feel that syllabus has got everything, but in a two-way journey hai, in the sense
Hmm.
industry, academic, student and teacher all has to come together. Because if student is only saying ki nahi, nahi sir, oh, again going to Three Idiot movie, Dubey ji is giving him the speech and he says ki I will explain. Nahi Dubey ji, don't explain. मैं मग कर लूंगा. So if you have created a good syllabus, if you have created all these things, you have given opportunity for internship, problem solving and all those things. But अगर student बोले नहीं नहीं नहीं, don't worry, I just need marks. Everything else I will do when I get the job. So I think ये journey में, to be honest, I think everybody has to come together. इतना चालो रे वो it wouldn't work.
So that's why OB has come in the picture, sir.
Correct.
will-
Outcome-based education.
Yes.
Correct.
Their students, faculty members, and industry all have to come together for the new era of the technology, sir.
Dear participants, if there are any question which you wanted to ask and could not write in the chat window or could not have been taken up so far, you have the liberty to unmute yourself and ask question directly to Mr. Dinesh Kumar. He's so fond of answering and interacting with academia. In fact, he himself volunteered to me that these many programs and I want to connect back to the academic people, see to it that what is happening. So if you have any of the question, you can unmute yourself and ask the question. If there are no questions, then we will close the session. So there are no questions. Shall we close the session? Please, will people confirm in the chat window? This presentation given by Mr. Dinesh Kumar is not only was a presentation or not only an input on digital research in digital era, was also a kind of demonstration that how evening session, that too for a critical subject like this, can be taken and no participant will sleep. So this is a big demonstration. This is a very inspiring demonstration for all the teachers, because now the boundaries of the time has gone, particularly when online and digital learning has come up, after which gone are those days that 9 to 4 you will be doing teaching, or maybe in colleges 9 to 2 you will be doing teaching. You do not know, other than change the environment, you may need to teach 10 o'clock, 10 p.m., 10 o'clock in the night, 11 o'clock in the night. And then no subject is theoretical. Every subject has got a component which can connect people. And that is how Mr. Dinesh Kumar has demonstrated it by giving this presentation on a pure theoretical subject, yet making it so interesting, interspersed with so many of questions in between that didn't allow any participant to go here and there. I was reading the kind of the answers which participants were giving in the chat. Thank you so much. I was also there in the office today since morning. So I thought when this session will be over, then only I will go from this office. Otherwise, I may get in between my home and office when the session will be closed. So thank you so much, Dinesh Kumarji. We'll meet again. We'll have another interaction. Having you in the program is always a pleasure. And this certificate is only to ensure that you always remember us. You remember the academia. For that purpose, this certificate is. Right? Thank you
Sure, sir.
so
Thank
much.
you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much and have a nice day. And if any question, you can always write to Dr. Huda sir or maybe Vishal ji, and then I will be interested to reply that. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Then,
Thank you.
Okay,
and I
ji,
request
namaskar.
you to please share the revised PPT to share
do
with the
that.
participants, sir.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll do the
Yes,
Vishal.
sir. Ji.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, sir, for giving your valuable time to us. It was a wonderful session on research trends in industry, sir.
Okay, thank you, Vishal. Bye. Have a nice day.
And
Bye.
all the best to all the participants.
Thank you, sir.
Please do
Thank you.
not forget to keep writing the summary and filling the assignment sheet on daily basis. It's a part of continuous assessment. So please keep writing that. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. 2 days have been completed, and I wish that the forthcoming days will be more useful, more fruitful, and will be more enjoying, more learning to all of you. All the best to all of you. God bless you. Uttam, you can close the session.